Hello viewers, welcome to Playful Learn Babyboss. Today we are going to make a shark, paper shark. So for this I am taking here paper, red and blue. First I am taking a square shaped paper. Okay, I am folding it like this. And then fold this way. Now we need to cut, see, from here to here like this. And now I am going to paste it here. See, the body of our shark is ready. And now take a small paper. Let's draw the fins. See, like this. And now we have to cut it. Okay. And one more. Okay, see, I'm folding it little bit because we are going to attach this on the top. See, I attached it here. Okay, now the other two on the two sides. So first let's cut this paper. Let's make a tail. See, for that, see, I'm cutting like this. The tail is ready. Now I'm going to attach it. Okay. And now the fins, both sides. Okay, now let it dry for 1 minute. And I'm going to draw the eyes. I want it to be very simple, so I'm just drawing the eyes. If you want, you can cut a small round white paper and attach it like eyes. See, I have cut one triangle shape and I am attaching it down like the mouth of the shark. See, as you can see, the toy shark there. Okay. Now the red color paper. Okay. Now I have taken a white paper and I will cut strips like this. Okay. If you see, here I am folding this and I will cut triangular shapes only on one side. Why I am doing like this is, by cutting it this way on one side, we can attach the other side to the shark mouth. I will show you. See this, I have cut two big papers like this. Now I'm going to cut this according to the size of the mouth. See, as we have cut on one side, the other side I'm going to paste it to the shark's mouth. This will be easy for us. That's it. The extra part I'm cutting. Okay, now the same with the other side also. The shark have sharp teeth, so we are cutting like this. Okay, other side also now. Now the upper teeth. Same procedure with the upper teeth also. Just fold the teeth little bit inside. That's it, our shark is ready. Try to make this shark at home. This is easy shark craft. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.